We're in Ginza. Hey, we're in. This ride is a bit more energetic. Come on, we can do this. We're in Ginza right now, which is the posh district with the posh people, and everyone with loads of money is here. And Harajuku fashion is very much not frowned upon, but we stand out like a sore thumb. Because everyone here wears like Versace, Gucci, Hermes, and just random boring t-shirts.
She's so excited. She just had tea.
And coffee.
Yeah, she's not good with it. Anyway.
Welcome to the sky. My name is Maria and
Cathy Cat.
And this is my channel. We are in Ginza. I'm gonna get out of here soon. So today we're gonna go to the Vinyl Museum. We're just having some tea. It was lovely, but it's really hot outside, so we're just gonna get going. Yay! So follow us into the Vinyl Museum, the most Instagrammable event of the summer. Let's go!
The second floor where the exhibition is, to go down, to go to the restaurant, which we don't know, can't find.
I'll go ask someone.
By the way, it's almost completely sold out. I'm so glad I bought them at like 3 a.m. You have to like think about this. It's very popular.
So once we got inside, it was pretty easy to take pictures. You had to line up for everything. There are 12 installations in total, so I took pictures of most of them. The first one was the pink neon. The second one was this really cute duck pool where we had a fight, but not really. BFFs forever. The pictures were really nice, and most of the staff would just take pictures of you if you ask nicely. You get really nice pictures and nice tips from the staff. This is the hologram background. I really like the effect. You can't really take a nice picture, but it turned out pretty nicely. Anatomy of a good selfie. High angle, face up the camera, and a good lighting. So following the same concept. Good selfie.
Gorgeous lady, you're gorgeous.
The Vinyl Museum countered with so many creative things that you could just take pictures in so many ways. This one was one of my favorite installations, the supermarket one, not because of the colors, but because of the retro point that they create just with some boxes and a pink cart. Look at Cathy, she's trying to reach for the top shelf and she looks adorable. More tips. Higher angle and bring the props closer to the camera. Following the same concept, higher angle. Nice picture. And bring the props closer to the camera. Also nice picture.
We can see the process here, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
This installation was sponsored by P1, which is a shampoo, and it had remote controlled bubbles, which was a lot of fun to take pictures with. These next two are my least favorite. It was like a candy one and a heart one, and they were full of children or had a big line. I didn't care for them. This was actually sponsored by the post office in Japan. They had really cute talismans. They don't mean anything, but it was really, really precious about just the detail that they put into it. We could take really nice pictures. So by this point, they were already calling the last 5 minutes and everybody was rushing to get to the last installations. It was kind of hard, but we squeezed in the last minutes and it was very much worth it. After that, we just went to lingerie. This is the lingerie menu. As you can see, it's very fancy. It has many dishes, like every other menu, but it has the very special point of having Lauderé specific desserts. Like this one's over here, they were sold out this night, so I only got macarons. I actually really enjoy Lauderé and I would go more often, but it's very expensive. But maybe I'll just go next time and see if they have the desserts I didn't have last night and make a new vlog about it. Tell me in the comments if you want me to go to Lauderé in Ginza next time. This is a selection of macarons with a new addition of geranium and vanilla strawberry. Alright, so we're at Lauderé after a really long day and we just have some macarons. We have to be sort of quiet here because it's not an any Lauderé, it's a Lauderé in Ginza. It's very posh. Unfortunately, we didn't have any window seats, but the lighting here is not too terrible and it's very green and very Victorian. Very Art Deco and Art Nouveau and whatever, because I'm not an expert, don't at me. And we have really cute chairs and the tables are like really nice and everything is very cute. There's like a pink wall over there, so I'm happy. Yeah. So we're gonna order now.
Okay, so okay. She's like, I was standing up one for the stories. Don't eat it for now. Tasty macarons. I get very nice for taking pictures. We've already been doing that just now.
And just put them on your hair and be like a real Lolita.
Yep. You know, until it expires.
No, you just put them on resin.
Good idea.
And then never expire. That was a trend in like 2013. Okay, so this was our Ginza adventure. Are we doing a mustache? My eye. So the vinyl exposition comes every year around August, so if you have the chance, you should totally check it out. Tips: do the reservation of the tickets online.
Yes, she did it for me.
Yes, I did. It was like 1 a.m. I was like, I am not risking this. By the time we got there, it was completely sold out, and they do accept PayPal, so super easy to pay. It was like 3-step sign-in process, and then they have an app, and you don't have to like print anything. You do a QR code. It was really cool. So,
Was there English on the page?
Yeah, the page was completely in English.
Love it.
It's English and Japanese.
Just don't get lost on the way there. Just come a bit earlier. It's inside a building. We got lost. You see it on my video. So make sure you get there early and you know where to go.
The way how to get in is in her video. So check Cathy Cat's YouTube and Instagram. Links here. Thank you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Maria. This is Cathy Cat. And this is my channel. See you next time and stay